Welcome to our Adventure Mile. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back to Kotor.
Today is an overcast day, so we thought that we would do our room tour.
Yeah, so we're going to take you around the outsides of the grounds because that's a big feature, in our opinion, to this place. The grounds are pretty unique and pretty cool. A little rustic. It's kind of giving you that old Montenegrin vibe, and you kind of feel like you really are living like a local.
Yeah, the unit is partially up a mountain, so to get to the unit, there is a trail that Steve will show, and if you drive, there's a parking spot. Yeah.
But it really is like it's an overcast day, but I will show you the view from just this spot. So this is an outdoor spot that we have, which we've taken advantage of on several mornings where we have our coffee and tea. We've enjoyed so far. There is another one down below, which I'll show you as well, where when the other unit is not occupied, thank you, we're able to use it. So
yeah. So we have two that we can use.
Yeah. Just to give you a little history about this unit has been in the family of the owner for about 300 years. So, it's fantastic. It is surrounded by kind of more ruined buildings, and I will show you one specifically. But yeah, what they've done is they managed to keep this up. It's very rustic, and last year they actually renovated it fully, and this is the first year that they've been renting it out.
The unit is amazing. I absolutely love it. It's like a chalet style. If you like wood beams and stonework, yeah, the unit is very much like that.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
So we'll bring you on in, take a look around on the inside. The question is, where is she now?
Hi, come on in. So, welcome. Clearly, as soon as you step into the room, you can tell that the wooden beams that we were expressing and the stone wall, what we enjoy the most about this unit, it totally gives it a chalet look. I like the light fixtures. Steve is impressed with the thickness of the walls. You'll see it here at the entranceway and also at the kitchen. Let me take you around now. So as soon as you walk in, obviously you see the living room here. It's a comfy couch and the chair is also very comfortable. There's a TV opposite of the couch. And there's a dinette set. And then from here it leads into the kitchen. And this was what Steve is so impressed with, is this thickness of the wall here and the archway just to get into the kitchen. It's beautiful. When you get into the kitchen, you'll see that we have a stove and a stove top. It has all the essentials that we need. This is the fridge. Just gotta make sure we keep the door closed. Sometimes it doesn't fully close. Yeah, there is a dishwasher too here. And yeah, everything else is the standards of a kitchen with all the essentials. And then to the right here is the bathroom. And Steve will go in and just show you a bit of that. The washing machine is there and the hanging dryer is outside.
And the nice thing is we have our own individual hot water tank right up here, so we're not relying on a shared hot water tank. That's always full for us depending on how we use it and when we use it. So
and here's another view of the main entranceway. What I really like is the staircase. Wrought iron with the leaves, with the stone in the back, and the lights. So it's a loft style unit, so we're going up to now the bedroom. We have two, I believe they're queen, almost king, like they're quite big beds, which is, obviously we get a choice every night. And then we have the big armoire, which is more than sufficient for our carry-on clothing. So ample of room, ample of storage space. We also have a skylight, which has a nice view. Hopefully Steve's camera will pick that up for you. And another TV up here if you wish to watch in the evening. I like the rope decor that's around the room.
we're done. See ya.
So that's our room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. You can see why now we're enjoying it so much.
Yes. Well, thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Bye
Whenever
for
that
now.
is. Bye for now. Well, hello.
Yeah. I also enjoy the rope decor.
Yeah, not riding it.
All right. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Room tour. All right. The big
It's like we've
reveal.
never done this before.
Okay.
If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.